Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can see.
Yeah. So, see, quickly we will go through economic data points. Right now, okay, what we are hearing, okay, it's an overvalued market, right? Everybody is talking about, see, since Nifty has touched 12,850 mark and all, okay, 2 3 days back. So we have crossed the last previous all-time high as well, which was around 12,430. Okay. So what everybody is saying, okay, if you look at the market commentators or some of the experts, there is a lot of euphoria in the market. When I say euphoria, it might be a positive euphoria or negative euphoria. Okay. In March, there was like everybody wanted to sell. Okay. Right now, it's like everybody wanted to buy into stock market because they think that everything is running up, the economy is recovering. Okay. So just a second. Okay. So there is a lot of euphoria. And when you study some of the large brokerage houses like Goldman Sachs or Nomura, okay, recently they have come out with a nifty new upgraded targets. Okay. And consensus target of nifty is somewhere around 13,600 to 14,100. Okay, in this range, 500-point range, they have said that nifty will peak out at this range. Their consensus target of large brokerages house, which are mainly a FIIs. So why I consider FIIs brokerage houses consensus target is they have very close eye on FII inflow numbers. Okay, whenever they speak about these targets, they consider a lot of MSCI index rejig and higher weightage to India on that proportionate. What is the money coming into Indian markets by March 2020, 2021? Okay, so they have access to all these numbers. Okay, small research firms like ours or some other small research firms and all, they will not have these kind of numbers. Okay, so when we are talking about this, okay, consensus target, a nifty consensus target has been revised to 13,600 to 14,100. So how far is from current level? You have to understand that first. Okay, so from current level, it is just merely a 5.5%, a starting range, which is 13,600, is just 5.5% away from current levels. Okay, in that case, okay, this is the ideal time for switching some of your clients' large cap or focus fund, or predominantly which is large cap oriented investment, to debt over a period of time gradually. Let's say how we work. If you want to deploy into equities, there are switcher products like right. So what you do in switcher product, you 100 rupees you deploy into debt, and gradually over a period of 9 months or 12 months, you 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, you gradually deploy that money into equities so that you get a averaging out of the market, right? So similar way, okay, it's the ideal time when the consensus target is just 8 to 5% kind of 5 to 8% or 10% kind of away from current levels. It is ideal time to start the initiate the profit booking for your clients. When I say profit booking, I never say exit the large cap or a large cap or focus fund completely and deploy into debt. My point is, start shifting some of your client's equity allocation gradually over a period of next 6 months to debt. If you want to increase the, let's say your client is having 80-20 allocation, 80 into equity, 20 into debt. Okay, this is the ideal time to increase this 20 debt into 40 or 50% debt. So what it means, you have to move 30% of your equity allocation into these kind of assets gradually, okay, over a period of next 6 months. By this way, what happens, whatever remaining run up is there in the nifty, you will take advantage of that as well. You will remain invested, and also you will start the booking, you will safeguarding your client's investment as well by this way. Okay, so as per my experience, okay, I have seen many a times, okay, whenever Nifty, a consensus target of Nifty is just a 5 to 8% kind of away from current levels, it is very likely that we will see a good profit booking or a big correction in market after 6 to in a time frame of 6 months to 12 months. Okay, not immediately. Okay, so we don't know where economy is heading, because Nifty will reach a peak and nobody wants to buy at those valuation levels. Okay, when Goldman Sachs says the Nifty peak is at 14,100, when it reaches that 14,100, they will not deploy their money easily. They wait for some correction in the market. So these things will come to the markets. Okay, so see, everybody is talking economic slowdown, COVID has hit the business. Okay, so what actually data is suggesting, you have to look into that. Okay, if you look at this manufacturing PMI, okay, right now if you see, manufacturing PMI is at the all time high level of 56.8. Okay, what it means, there is a lot of manufacturing is coming into the market. Okay, if you have witnessed this recent sale of Amazon or Flipkart, everybody was buying. There are a lot of electronic goods. Okay, so all these are included in this manufacturing PMI index. Okay, so if you see mobile phones sold by Amazon and Flipkart, okay, most of these mobile phones are made in India right now. Okay, you name it, like Xiaomi, Mi phones. Okay, it previously they used to manufacture in China. Samsung, they were having production of lot of their models outside India. Right now everybody is producing in India. So where is the slowdown? You can see these numbers are turning positive. Okay, what happened in March, April when we faced the lockdown? Okay, so manufacturing index, everything went down by more than 50%. Okay, that time, but it is back in normal right now. It's not only normal, PMI index has hit the all time high. Okay, service PMI, it is at almost pre-COVID level. It has not yet recovered completely, because service industry includes a lot of unorganized sectors like transportation business. Okay, uh, there are hotel business. Okay, so many people are still afraid of going outside, traveling outside, and eating outside, but it is coming back to the normalcy. Okay, exports, exports have grown. India has started exporting a lot of things in this COVID era. Okay, electric consumption. Okay, electric consumption on month basis, it is increasing. Okay, if you see in the month of April, it was dropped by 24% on that single month. Okay, but gradually it is also picking reaching the pre-COVID level. Okay, GST collection, one of the important measure. Okay, if you look at the GST collection, okay, it has hit the 1 lakh crore mark. Okay, last month, after 7 months. Okay, it has come back to the normal level. E-way bill collection, it has reached the pre-COVID level. So what it suggests, things are normalizing in the economy. When we say things are normalizing, okay, on this hope, when market fell in the month of March and May, people knew that this is just a postponement of consumption. It's not a collapse of consumption. Okay, most of these things, it's not a collapse. It's a postponement of consumption. So you have to identify right market opportunity for your clients. In this period, whoever made investment, okay, they saw this coming long back. Okay, almost 5 months back, they knew that it's a postponement of consumption. It will come back to the pre-COVID level, definitely. If not now, it might take another 5 months. Okay, not in September. It might reach back to the pre-COVID level at least in March 2021. So on that expectation, they deployed this money, their money. Okay, so the right opportunity, you have to predict the market. for your clients. Okay, then only your client will be happy, you will be happy, because when you gain the trust of your clients, he will invest wherever you say, blindly. Okay, so what supply side indicators are suggesting? Okay, e-way bills, if you see, there is a sharp correction in the month of April, but it has come back to the normal level. I just wanted to show you a differentiating thing here, because one is supply side. I have one more graphs, which is demand side. Okay, how things are shaping up in the economy. Okay, so e-way bill, it is almost pre-COVID level. Electricity production, it is also pre-COVID level. Rail cargo, it is just below the pre-COVID level, but it has picked up a lot. It has picked up almost 85 to 90% what it lost in April. Okay, steel production is considered a cyclical, because steel production and cement productions, okay, these are long-term what you call projects. Okay, usually it's a cyclical in nature, and it will come back to the it has recovered almost 80 to 85% of what it has lost in April month, steel production and all, but it has not yet reached the pre-COVID level, because that requires some more push from government side towards construction of infrastructure, realty sector push. Okay, because these are the main components, steel and cement, for this. A port traffic, it is also improving, but at, not at the pre-COVID level, but it has no very direct impact on what you call markets and all, because ours is it's not a export oriented economy at present, but still exports are improving and all. Okay, imports have also reduced in this COVID era. That is also a factor in this. Okay, coal production, it is still at the lower side. Okay, so truck sales, this is one very important parameter. Okay, wholesale digital payment, that is also picking up. Okay, that is not an issue, but truck sales, it is very important component. Why I say truck sales is very important component is, it is one of the largest chunk in unorganization sector, hotel business and truck transportation business. And since these COVID has hit a lot of businesses and all, okay, people try to manage whatever they have existing, like existing trucks and all. People are not investing on a new expansion in these business. Okay, transportation business and all, because it got hit royally in this COVID era. Whatever they are having, they are trying to manage their business with whatever resource they are having at present. They are not going aggressively and expanding their business. When they will do that, when they have a clarity on their business. Okay, when things are improving. Okay, it will not hit again COVID second wave and all. If they have clarity on that, only then this will improve. Because of this, if you see Nifty companies, okay, or Nifty 200 companies, auto sector is still not doing really good. Okay, all other sectors like many sectors, okay, they are doing really good. Okay, cement is doing good. Okay, pharma is doing good. Okay, FMCGs are doing good. Okay, but automobile industry, okay, which includes original manufacturers and component manufacturers, okay, they are not at all doing good due to this reason. Okay, this is supply side. So what demand side things are saying? Okay, demand, tractor, since we have gone through very good monsoon. Okay, tractor sales have improved and they have surpassed the pre-COVID level, because we had one of the best monsoon this season. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, on demand side, digital payment, it is picking up. The diesel consumption, okay, that is also picking up. It is almost reached pre-COVID level in last 1 month. Okay, petrol consumption, that is also improved. It is at par of pre-COVID level. Okay, traffic consumption, okay, congestion, it is slowly started picking up. Okay, car sales, that is also, it is at a pre-COVID level. And two wheeler, It has not yet picked up aggressively, but it has recovered a lot of its lost ground. Okay, it has recovered almost 60% of what they used to sell two-wheelers before. Okay, and we expect two-wheelers to do really well. The reason is we have seen very good monsoon. Okay, when there is a good monsoon and things stabilize in the economy, and once we get the vaccination and fear goes away from all these business activities, okay, we will see a very good sale, because two wheeler sales are mainly dominated by rural areas. Okay, since there was a good what do you call monsoon, there is a lot of money flowing into rural economy, and we see a rural demand picking up aggressively compared to city level and all, metro level. Okay, so we expect this to do really well in near future. Okay, retail creation of foot traffic. So retail creation, recreation and all. So as I explained in my last transportation business, same case here. Okay, people are not on an expansion mode right now. Okay, their main focus is on using available resources and making a safe a good business proposition. Okay, that is the main reason why that nobody is aggressively expanding their business. Okay, and domestic passenger flow, still it is at lower side, because due to which all the uh, 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 some of the aviation sector companies, they are not doing really good in the market, like Indigo, SpiceJet, and etc. Okay, people are still afraid to go aggressively out of for traveling and all. Okay, so since supply side and demand side, some of the important data we have discussed, what nifty companies are doing, this is one very important table. Okay, so everybody knows that there will be sales are going to hit. Okay, that is the known fact. See, this table is as on 30th November, September, sorry, October, 30th October. Okay, so this is as on 30th October. Okay, by that time there are almost 37 companies who declared their results out of Nifty 50 companies. Okay, so if you see sales, okay, most of the sales are in line with estimation, because analysts knew that what is the sales hit they are going to take in this COVID era. Okay, first quarter, after first quarter, what is going to happen in second quarter and all. Okay, so even though in that case, okay, sales as per expectation is 25, but above expectation there are 8 companies which have done really well, and below expectation, which are 4 companies out of 37. Okay, this is the one important number, what EBITDA is saying. Okay, EBITDA is nothing but earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization. So 22 companies out of 37 are above estimation. Okay, what everybody thought they will make profit, okay, in this COVID era, 22 out of 37, okay, have done really good in terms of earnings. Okay, EBITDA. Okay, and 12 are in line with expectation, and 3 have done below expectation. Okay, what is the net profit? Okay, what profit says above estimation 28, because many people thought there will be a lot of expense will be incurred due to this COVID and all. It will have a direct impact on EBITDA and profit, net profit and all. But that is not the case. Whatever companies we are discussing, they are the leader of their segments. Nifty 50 companies are nothing but they represent 19 different sectors, and they are leader of that sector. Okay, so when leader is doing really good, okay, it means sector is in a better shape. Okay, so 28 companies have reported PAT at above estimates of the market, and in line with estimation 6, a below estimation only 3. So what it suggests, when everybody was saying Nifty is running without any reason, right? Why Nifty is running? But data, whatever we are having here, that shows completely different picture, right? Nifty is running because they saw this coming 5 months before. Okay, people, some of the smart investors, they knew that this is just a postponement of consumption. Okay, first quarter you will not see anything, there will be an impact. Okay, at least second quarter they will do extremely well because all the pending accumulated demand will come into the market one day. That they knew. This is not the collapse of demand. So whenever Nifty is, see, Nifty is considered barometer of Indian economy. When Nifty is doing really good, it means there are smart investors behind this evaluation. Okay, they know what is going to happen. They predicted for their clients on a right way. Okay, they have taken position. Nifty is running. See, if somebody says economic slowdown is happening, business is not happening, what data suggests? Data is giving complete different outlook, right? Business houses are doing really good. Okay, so that is the reason I always we always suggest to go with a market. Okay, these conversation will help you to convince your clients what is going in the economy. Why we are presenting all this? To make you a better person in terms of managing your clients. Okay, these are the points which will add weightage to your conversation. Okay, your client will trust whenever you say all these data points, these kind of data points backed with the right numbers. Until unless, if I hear many people saying, hey, Nifty has run up quite a bit, it will correct. They are telling this from when Nifty was at 10,000. Okay, now we are at 12,800. They will keep on telling this, but what number says, it's completely different. Numbers are not weakening, right? It's not weakening. That's why Nifty is running up. Okay, so hope this session is helpful for you to have a meaningful discussion with your clients. Any questions? I'm happy to take that, guys. Any questions, guys? You have any doubts on market or any product related query? I'm happy to answer that. Nobody's having questions? Chandan? Saurabh, you're online?
Saurabh's not here, but I'm here, sir. You can tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any
Is
questions
any?
are coming?
No questions from here. Not from YouTube either.
Okay. Yeah.
I think everybody's pretty clear on the topic for now.
Okay.
So,
So
everybody, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask right now. Otherwise, we will be ending the session. Is that fine, Mr. Sir? Sir?
yeah, absolutely.
I think we can end the session here, sir, because I don't think anybody has any questions. It's been pretty clear for now.
Okay.
Thanks everybody for joining.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Happy and prosperous Diwali again.
Happy Diwali to you as well. Happy Diwali to everyone as well.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining.
Thanks.